going on, everybody? What's up? What's up? Alright, so got the fellas over there. Yes, sir. Got the fellas over there. Everybody's about to head back, man, and chill. Alright, everybody, yeah, so we just hit up Hayes Bridge. We got out of here today. Did some riding, man. Definitely put some hours in today. Sun is going down a little bit. Yes, sir. Yeah, they putting these up over here. It's a shitty area, but the mows are going to be expensive. Shitty. And the train's coming. To get my eyeball. All praises. Hopefully everybody makes it home safe. It's a lot of people on the road today, man. It's so weird. Justin just took off. I was like, say, he trying to get home for real. His back was hurting. So we were talking, and so Justin started on his first bike ever was that S1000. I think it's 2015 or 2016. He said that was his first motorcycle ever. You know, that's crazy that you start off on 1000. But he's been on it for 3 years, so you know he got broke in pretty well. I started off on a 250, and Marquis started off, I think he said, on a 400 or something like that. But I used to drool over other people's bikes, man, like a lot when I was like younger. And it was mainly because I couldn't really like afford what I really wanted, you know what I mean? Like, being real, most people, you know, everybody wants a 1000cc bike, you know? And they're expensive, bro. The bikes are expensive, not only just the bikes, but it's just the insurance that's really the most expensive part about owning a motorcycle. Good out today though, man. But yeah, we're just talking about it. And that's one thing I do want to point out to guys. It's like, though some of you guys may be riding something that that you're able to afford, things like that, don't let that stop you from owning a motorcycle. I know some people get fixated on one thing. Like, I'm still very, well, I'm not saying fixated, but I still very much want an S1000RR, and I'm eventually gonna get one. But I didn't feel like it was a need for me to like go out and just spend all that money and be uncomfortable with basically trying to learn on a super sport again. So I opted to go with something a bit cheaper. Still had all the perks that I felt like I wanted. Obviously BMW has way more perks. Way more perks, way more electronics and whatnot. So eventually do want to get one, but this bike is plenty fast for me. And I don't even really push it that much, but so speed is not what I'm necessarily chasing. I'm mainly just chasing what you can afford, man, and make it your own. actually clearer over here, which is weird. Not a lot of cars over here. But from the main, the inner city, cars everywhere. And there's another thing, people are gonna make fun of me when they see it. There's a part on here where I was downtown to try to get to that bridge. And I didn't even realize it, and I'm fucking an idiot. I didn't even realize it, but this is why I don't like driving downtown. Why I have so much anxiety. When I pulled out after I double checked where the bridge was, I went out to the light and turned left. It's a one-way fucking street. And then I realized, oh my God, I just turned on a one-way street and I'm going against traffic. I had to turn back around real quick. And I'm just shaking my head like, this is why. This is why I don't fucking come downtown. Coming home, they don't know. Staying full clips, they don't know. If you like the video, make sure you drop a thumbs up, a like, dislike, and subscribe. Coming home, they don't know.
It's a blessing that I'm still here. Even lesson of the Western when it's still here.